Good evening, students, and welcome to my next video on Total English. In this video, I'll be discussing the answers of specimen paper 11 of the old edition. Of Total English class 12, because I uploaded only the answers of the answers up to specimen paper 10, right? So this is the 2020 edition. So in this video, I'll be discussing the answers of the specimen paper 11 because few students, they have asked me to upload the answers of specimen paper 11 to specimen paper 15. So first we'll complete this old edition, all the specimen papers of this old edition, and then after that we'll again continue with the latest edition. Without wasting further time, let's get started. The first one. The first one, if you solve more puzzles, this one has been done for you. If you solve more puzzles, you will become more intelligent. The more puzzles you solve, the more intelligent you will become. The next sentence is, after the lecture, they asked me to explain the point I had made. After the lecture, so the answer will be, after the lecture, I was asked to explain the point I had made. Point I had made. After the lecture, I was asked to explain the point I had made. The second one is, as soon as he heard the loud sound, he ran towards the compound. No sooner, you have to start with no sooner. No sooner did he hear the loud sound than he ran. Then he ran towards the compound. Full stop. No sooner did he hear the loud sound than he ran towards the compound. You can make this sentence with had also. So then it will be, no sooner had he heard. If you will use had, you will use heard. That is the third form of verb. So no sooner had he heard the loud sound than he ran towards the compound. Next one. Jyoti disagreed, but all the other members agreed for a change in rules. So you have to start with except. So except for Jyoti, all the other members agreed for a change in rules. For a change in rules. Except for Jyoti, all the other members agreed for a change in rules. The fourth one, he never admitted that he had told a lie. At no time did he admit that he had told a lie. At no time did he admit that he had told a lie. Next one, fifth one. She's writing down his address so as not to forget it. She's writing down his address lest she should forget it. We use should with lest she should forget it. Blue jeans are now being worn again. People are again wearing, people are now is also good. People are now again wearing jeans. Next one, no sooner did we enter the house than the electric current was restored. As soon as we entered the house, the electric current was restored. As soon as we entered the house, comma is very important. If you are using as soon as, comma is very important. The electric current was restored. Okay. Post office was so far that he could not reach there quickly. The post office was too far to be reached quickly by him. Was too far to be reached quickly by him. We can make it as the post office was too far for him to reach quickly. This also will be correct. Okay. The next one. Every time I visited my aunt, I took a box of sweets. I never visited my aunt without taking a box of sweets. I never visited my aunt without taking a box of sweets. The 10th one. It is not necessary for us to wear our party clothes today. You have to start with we. We need not have to wear party clothes today. We need not wear our party clothes today. We need not wear our party clothes today. With this, we come to the end of this exercise. The next one, fill in each blank with a suitable word. The Germans have set up a new computer company in India. The second one, they set out early in the morning to reach the venue in time. Third one, chief guest will give away the prizes to the students. Away. He had to give up at last because of an injury. Fifth one, I'm looking around for a cheap camera. I'm looking around for a cheap camera. Sixth one, I'm looking forward to my visit to my grandparents' house. Seventh one, the workers were laid off for 6 months. DOLL for 6 months. He was laid up with pneumonia. He was laid up with pneumonia. Ninth one, someone has made an attempt on his life. 10th one, they made no attempt to escape from there. With this we come to the end of part B. Now moving ahead to part C. Once there lived a priest who was fond of milk. He lived on the bank of the river, and a milkmaid used to supply him milk from the other bank. However, the milk usually reached him late, since the milkmaid had to wait. A long time for the boatman to ferry her across. One day, when the milkmaid was late, the priest reminded her that the devotees of God cross the ocean of life by uttering. Third one is uttering. By uttering the name of God. The milkmaid was happy to have a solution to her problem. After this, the milkmaid always supplied the priest with milk one time. Curious to know how this was possible, the priest asked her the reason. The milkmaid answered that this was possible because she crossed the river uttering the name of God and had no need to wait for the boatman. The priest asked her to show him how she did this. As the woman walked on the water, the priest, who also tried to do so, started sinking. Started to sink behind her. The simple milkmaid, this one will be to sink. The priest asked her to show him how she did this. As the woman walked on the water, the priest, who had tried to do so, started to sink behind her. The simple milkmaid was surprised. And told him that he was uttering the name of God while at the same time trying to save his clothes from getting wet. She told him that this showed he did not rely on God completely. Rely will be rely. Rely on God completely. With this, we come to the end of this exercise. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.